In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email account on your iPhone. The first thing you'll need to do is open the App Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Outlook and then press Search. Next, download the Microsoft Outlook app. As you can see, I already have it installed on my device. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the Outlook app. On the main screen, tap Create New Account at the bottom. Now we can go through the steps to set up your Microsoft email. Start by entering a username. For your email address, this will automatically end with aoutlook.com, though you can change it to ohotmail.com if you prefer. After that, tap Next. Create a password for your account and then press Done. Next, choose your country or region. Enter your date of birth and tap Next. Then, type in your first and last name and press Next again. You'll now be asked to complete a quick verification. Puzzle, hold down the button to finish it, and then tap OK. You'll also be given the option to set up Face ID or a PIN code for quicker access to your account. I'm going to skip that for now since it can be set up later. After that, press Next, then Accept, and finally tap Continue to Outlook. When it asks if you'd like to add another account, select Maybe Later. You'll now be taken to your Outlook inbox, where you can start sending and receiving emails. If you tap your profile icon in the top left corner, you'll see your new email address displayed at the top. And that's it. It's really that simple, guys.